Oh, hi guys, Bonnie here. Have you ever heard of channel Frederator? Oh, it's a pretty awesome network that has helped lots of artists from all over the world to make a living out of their dreams. And above all, has allowed Tony and Laughin' to give me a voice after 9 episodes of silence. So if you're an animator, an artist, or a voice actor, you should definitely check it out. I mean, these are hundreds of thousands of people that you could be meeting. Follow the link right down in the description and join Frederator.